Are you tired of spending hours each week manually scheduling meetings and tasks? Learn how to install Reclaim AI in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the 5 simple steps to get Reclaim AI up and running in your Google Calendar. Let's dive in. Start by clicking the plus icon in the right sidebar to open the App Marketplace. Then type Reclaim AI into the search bar to find the integration. Go ahead and click the Install button to begin the setup. Next, click Continue to grant the necessary permissions. Finally, click Done to finish the installation. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.